Welcome to Health and Fitness. In this video, we are telling about 5 food that protect your eyes. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. While they won't provide superhero vision, including carrots in a balanced diet can contribute to maintaining good eye health. Number 2. Salmon fish. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, which is beneficial for eye health. Consuming such fatty acids may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other eye conditions. Number 3. Green leafy vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health. They may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and promote overall eye function. Number 4. Eggs. In addition to lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs contain vitamins A and D, which play roles in maintaining healthy vision and supporting the immune system. Including a mix of colorful fruits and vegetables along with other nutrient-rich foods contributes to comprehensive eye care. Regular eye checkups are also crucial for detecting and addressing any potential issues early on. Number 5. Oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which contributes to eye health by supporting the blood vessels in your eyes. Oranges also provide nutrients like potassium, folate, and vitamin A, which play roles in maintaining healthy vision and supporting the function of the retina. Including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients that collectively contribute to eye health. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.